Now we will have a look at the major milestones in the automotive product development. So the first major milestone is when the product plan has been prepared. So when the product plan is prepared, basically the scope of the project, scope of the product development is prepared. So this we have already seen that product planning is done by the marketing and the product planning team. So the product plan is prepared by the marketing team based on the market research. The next major milestone is the preparation of the business case and the business case approval. So any product development effort is also a business proposal. The business proposal is generally proposed based on the concept which has been developed. So the business case approval generally happens in the concept development phase of the product development. So only after the business case has been approved, that's when the actual product development effort will start. That is when the teams will be formed. That is when the budget and finances will be allocated, the resources will be allocated, and that is when the serious product development work will start. Till the time the business case has been fully approved, the team will be much smaller. It will be only comprising of the product planning and marketing team who prepare the plan as well as have done the market research, and also the styling team who have prepared the concepts. And to some extent the design engineering team to prepare the functional aspect of the concept. Only after the business case has been approved, that's when the majority or the bulk of the work will start. Till this stage, there is no guarantee that the work which has been done by the concept development team till now will be taken forward for the complete product development effort. It all is based on the business case and whether it is being approved or not, whether the budget and the allocation of the resources is being done or not. The next major milestone is styling design release. So the business case approval generally happens in the middle of concept development. Now once the business case is approved, the concepts are refined and finally the styling releases the design to the design engineering team. So that is a very important milestone when the styling surfaces are released. It's called as the styling design release. After the styling design release, the next major milestone is the preparation of the engineering designs and the virtual validation of those designs. So validation of design happens at two stages. One is virtual validation, that is also called a CAE, computer aided engineering. And it is very prevalent nowadays to virtually validate the designs before going in for physical validation. So once the virtual validation is done, then the physical validation takes place. Of course, all aspects of a vehicle cannot be virtually validated. Hence, the major aspects are virtually validated, relating to durability, relating to vibrations, relating to flow analysis, aerodynamic analysis, all of that is done during this phase. So a lot of engineering work happens before this milestone, and the engineering designs, the detailed design of all the components is done in this stage. Following the virtual validation, there will be physical validation of the vehicles when the actual prototypes of the vehicles will be constructed and they will be validated at vehicle level, at system level, at subsystem level, at component level. So all of these validations will be signed off. So sign off is basically an agreement between the validation team and the design team saying that the designs are approved by validation and they are passing all the validation tests. So that is a major milestone. This milestone basically means that the engineering design which has been prepared for the various systems of the vehicle and the vehicle as a whole has been proven out and it is passing all of the performance requirements set out on it. Whether these performance requirements or product requirements are in the form of durability requirements or in the form of crash safety requirements or vibration, that is NVH, or dynamics, vehicle dynamics, or in the form of fuel efficiency or emissions. Whatever these might be, these will be proven out during this milestone of the product development. Once the validation sign-off has been done, the next major milestone is the engineering release. So this is a very important milestone in product development, also called as the tooling release. This is when the designs are released by the design engineering team to the production team or released for mass production. Till now, the designs have not been frozen for mass production. They are being validated by the validation team and refinements are being done. Once the sign-off is completed after the validation, a final level of design is reached and that design is then released for production. That is called as the engineering release. Till the engineering release, any changes in design would not incur major cost impact. But after the engineering release has been done, the mass production tooling, the mass production equipment and assembly lines will be set, and then any changes in the design will be highly impactful in terms of cost. So this is a very important milestone in product development. Once the engineering release is done, then the production team starts to set up the process and starts to validate the process. So once the design has been validated, that is the product has been validated, the process also has to be validated for mass production. That is done during the pilot production stage. And at one point, production sign off happens between the design team and the production team. Any small issues regarding design for manufacturing and assembly, or mostly design for assembly, are sorted out during these stages. Of course, if there is any major issue in terms of the assembly, it will call for a change in the design, and that will be highly impactful in terms of the overall cost. But generally, it is because of the concurrent engineering approach, it is made sure that these kind of changes do not pop up after the engineering release. Anyhow, because of the complexity of the vehicle system and the various intricacies, issues will pop up and there will be some refinements which have to be done. So all of that is done during this stage. And finally, it is the production ramp up towards the launch and the start of sales. So production ramp up is when slowly the number of volumes of the vehicles is ramped up. This generally takes place once the process has been totally refined, and then the maximum volume is reached and the start of sales is initiated. So this is a very major milestone in terms of the launch. So these are all major milestones in product development of the vehicle from the product planning stage to the production.